Command and control, the process of directing and coordinating military forces to accomplish their mission. Warfare has become so sophisticated that computer automation is essential in speeding accurate, real-time information between command posts. Commanders and their staff must monitor the use and availability of personnel, equipment, and facilities. They must gather, analyze, and display information for making decisions in already stressful situations, and use secure tools for communicating instructions and supervising operations in the field. Intergraph solutions link command posts and assist commanders in making intelligent command and control decisions. Intergraph analyzes your needs, infrastructure, facilities, and resources, and pulls together all the hardware, software, service, and support in a tightly integrated open platform using a simple graphics user interface. Intergraph's command and control systems use commercially available Intergraph and third-party products that are tested and proven, helping us integrate numerous disciplines and reduce development time and risk. One example of Intergraph's command and control experience is our Patriot Command Post Automation System, combining air defense technology with digital mapping for an air picture display in the battalion command post. A network of workstations exchanging graphical data for tactical planning and force operations. Intergraph provided one country with an air defense command and control system, incorporating command and control staff functions and battle management. Operators use displays of real-time air operations and weapon systems control. In the next few minutes, we'll look at the major features in all of Intergraph's systems, including air picture display for accurately and quickly locating enemy weapon systems, allowing for more effective attacks. Mission Planner, helping commanders and staff deploy units, analyze their effectiveness, and modify the deployment accordingly. NBC Staff Operations, tracking the status and availability of personnel and equipment, intelligence reports, and logistics. And the Dynamic Display System, with tools to control the view of the information on a display screen. Intergraph's Air Picture Display System combines signals from active and passive surveillance systems to create display tracks that are passed over standard data links. This information is used to create a graphical display of the air situation. Commanders in air defense fire support use direct combat information and targeting data for quickly and accurately locating and targeting enemy weapon systems. The air picture display includes air tracks and jam strobes, training targets, active operations data, including tactical overlays, radar coverage and airspace control data, and unit and site data. A system track file uses operator-defined display filters to distribute track data to the tactical consoles. Operators can update track files by entering data from any tactical console, automatically updating air pictures on all consoles. The Air Picture Display software logs all tactical data, including data link messages to record all traffic received or transmitted on active links, replay data for use in replaying recorded scenarios, and tactical operator actions. The system displays all air tracks, whether friendly, hostile, or unknown. It also displays air situation management procedures and airspace control measures. The system also permits hooking numerous displayed symbols. Hooked displays contain all available amplified data. Items are hooked by position or track number using any of the track number systems in use. Air display consoles can maintain a ground situation involving numerous ground sites. The display includes primary target lines for sensor units. The consoles also display radar and sensor coverage based on operational and available units. Intergraph's mission planning system includes sensor placement and coverage analysis tools for deploying unit assets. It consists of a library of automated operational capabilities and commercial applications. The Mission Planner software plans unit deployment, sensor coverage, and communications link planning. Deployment planning tools show how the terrain impacts the positioning of sensors and communications. The sensor placement software helps commanders and staffs analyze the effectiveness of a proposed deployment and graphically displays the effects of terrain on sensor coverage. The terrain masking analysis results are shown as colored polygons for predetermined sets of elevation floors. The user can analyze up to 40 sensors and display analysis results as an overlay on a digital base map background. The Communications Link Planner analyzes the network of communication sites and evaluates path effectiveness based upon terrain. It adds, moves, and deletes communication sites. Old links associated with deleted sites are also automatically deleted and new provisional links automatically added. The Communications Link Planner takes a provisional network defined by all possible links between nodes and performs a network feasibility analysis. This analysis is based on terrain elevation, Fresnel zone calculations, antennas with user-selected heights and range. The result is a display depicting all good and marginal links. The operator is able to view the terrain cross-section between two sites. Command Post functionality allows units at all levels to acquire, process, and display operational data on the equipment, personnel, intelligence, and logistical status of a unit. Each unit can enter and submit pre-formatted reports for staff operations. Summary reports consolidate data from subordinate units. Pre-formatted messages facilitate the flow of information, both internally and externally. The Command Post functions are divided into 5 major staff categories: personnel, logistics, intelligence, operations, and nuclear, biological, and chemical or NBC operations. The messages and reports defined for the system are allocated to these major categories. The personnel section helps the commander and staff estimate manpower, assign personnel, and coordinate activities between units. The logistics staff section supports tactical operations. It plans and supervises the supply, services, maintenance, and transportation activities required to support the command. The intelligence staff section processes and integrates intelligence information from all sources. It acquires the data, analyzes and evaluates it, and presents an assessment and evaluation to the commander. The information is then integrated into a summary, estimating the situation and predicting enemy intentions in sufficient time for commanders to choose the most effective course of action. The functions of the Operations Staff section are divided between control of combat operations and sustaining the battle. These features include supervising the execution of operations, maintaining the current friendly situation and unit status, maintaining a current operations estimate, supervising preparation of operations orders, and recommending allocation of resources. The NBC element assists in the control, coordination, and supervision of nuclear, biological, and chemical operations. Major functions include the collection, collation, evaluation, and distribution of NBC contamination information, and NBC reports data with higher, lower, and adjacent units, and advises the commander and staff on the impact of NBC contamination on tactical, logistic, and civil military operations. Intergraph's command and control systems include a friendly interface to allow authorized operators to define and maintain system configuration and control data. The system is protected from unauthorized data entry through the use of passwords. The dynamic display functionality controls an operator's view of the display screen, including a viewport control panel, coordinate systems display, and map display and control. The operator uses the viewport control panel to view a larger or smaller resolution of the viewport display area. A dimmer control menu controls the brightness intensity for specified display classes, such as air tracks or airspace control measures. Electronic mail allows the operator to read or send free text interconsole memos of up to 1/2 page in length. The operator can also prioritize the messages. The operator can generate and edit military overlays to describe current or planned enemy or friendly ground force dispositions. The overlays use standard symbology based on U.S. Army FM 101-5-1, defining operational terms and symbols. Map database management uses an electronic topographic base map display that serves as the foundation for overlaying other system functions. The Defense Mapping Agency provides the data to generate the base maps. The DMA uses a mapping system designed and built by Intergraph and based on Intergraph commercial and federal systems products. As a result, Intergraph is fully aware of the necessary file formats, algorithms, and data transfers for producing the base maps. Intergraph's cost-effective solutions support an open platform and provide a user-friendly interface, are compatible with a mixed network environment, can be adapted and configured to specific work processes, and exchange information without duplicating efforts. Intergraph's automated solutions for command and control, giving you the information you need the instant you need it.